It's Thursday, November 20th, and here is your no jargon overview of everything you may have missed in business and finance yesterday. After 4 straight days of the stock market being down, we finally got a little break. All of the major market indices, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P, they all ended slightly higher yesterday. Nothing huge, but it was enough to calm people down a little bit. There was a lot of excitement yesterday around Nvidia, the giant AI company that makes all of the computer chips. Their stock was up yesterday because everyone was a little bit nervous and excited about the earnings report that was going to come out after the close. And when those financial results came out, it turns out that Nvidia did really well, much to everyone's relief. They actually made $57 billion last quarter, which was more money than everyone expected them to make. And importantly, they said they expect even stronger sales for the rest of the year. Their CEO said demand for their newest AI chip is off the charts, which is exactly what investors wanted to hear. Another big winner yesterday was Google's parent company, Alphabet. The stock hit a new all-time high after Google unveiled its newest AI model, Gemini 3. All of this helped the entire tech sector rise yesterday. Not every company had a great day though. Target's stock dropped nearly 3% because sales fell again. This is their third quarter in a row with a decline. It's another sign that the average shopper is being more careful with how they spend their money. We also got an update yesterday from the Federal Reserve. The notes from their last meeting showed that officials are very divided on what to do about interest rates. Some Fed officials think that the labor market is cooling down too much, while others think that inflation is still too high. Because they're split, investors now think it's less likely that interest rates will be lowered in December. Wall Street's estimating about a 34% chance. The government announced that it won't release the October jobs report, which is usually a very big deal. Instead, that information will be bundled into the November report. But that report comes out after the Fed's December meeting, so the Fed might have to make its next decision without some of the usual information they rely on. Some quick company highlights from yesterday. Lowe's released strong financial results and saw its stock rise more than 4%. Williams-Sonoma beat expectations, but they still saw their stock drop. DoorDash fell after its results raised concerns about how much money they plan to spend next year. ESPN and Major League Baseball reached a new deal that allows NBC and Netflix to air some games. And Elon Musk's AI company, xAI, is reportedly raising $15 billion at a massive $230 billion valuation. Looking ahead to today, we finally get the long-delayed September jobs report, which should give us a better sense of how healthy the job market is. Walmart is also reporting today, which is important because Walmart is a huge window into how the everyday American is spending heading into the holidays. We're also going to get financial results from Gap, Ross, Bath & Body Works, Intuit, and more.